Welcome back, friends. In this exciting challenge, we will test your knowledge of different animals. Do you love animals? Subscribe to the quiz show, we promised fun. All right, let's get started. Let's see how many animals you can guess correctly.
It's lion. Elephant. It's giraffe. Tiger. Zebra. Cheetah.
Wow, you play well.
Koala. Kangaroo. Panda. Gorilla. Crocodile.
Wow, you play well.
Polar bear. Owl. Eagle. Octopus. Orangutan.
Wow, you play well.
Dolphin. Penguin. Black leopard. Wolf.
Well done. You've successfully completed the challenge. How many names did you guess correctly? We hope you had a great time and enjoyed the quiz. Feel free to play it again or explore more entertaining quizzes on our channel. See you there. Goodbye.